The process of spermatogenesis involves the meiotic events that give rise to a sperm cell. So a spermatogonium that transforms into a primary spermatocyte will divide into two secondary spermatocytes for spermatids. The last part of the spermatogenesis, this part when you have genetically your four sperm cells, what happens next is a process called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is not a meiotic event, it's a cellular event in which the excess cytoplasm is shed and the flagellum is formed. So in other words, the late spermatid is transformed into a spermatozoan. Let's take a closer look at that. During spermiogenesis, an organelle called the acrosome forms. The acrosome is a relative of the lysosome, if you remember that one. It's just a membranous sac filled with hydrolytic enzymes, and you can see that starting to form very close to the nucleus. Some other changes that we can see, the centrosome, the two centrioles are going to start to grow microtubules, and that is going to be the base of the flagellum. It's also going to grow the flagellum, the tail. We can see the acrosome getting larger here, that red area. And we can also see these yellow organelles, those of mitochondria, are going to start to aggregate and organize themselves around the proximal portion of the flagellum. There are a lot of mitochondria in a sperm cell. Recall that mitochondria make ATP, and ATP is going to be necessary in order for the flagellum to work. And so you can see the extra cytoplasm is going to be shed. The result is a spermatozoan or a sperm cell. A sperm cell has three portions, three regions. There's the head, which is basically the nucleus surrounded by the acrosome, which we can see in red. The acrosome is going to rupture on contact and hopefully degrade away the protective coating around the oocyte. Another region of the sperm cell is called the midpiece. Midpiece is that proximal region of the flagellum with the mitochondria spiraling around. And then the distal portion of the cell is the tail, which is the flagellum, which makes this a motile cell. A sperm cell is the only flagellated human cell.